So our biggest problem is understanding thoughts, right? The subjective realm. It's about our perception of it and how we perceive it. Because we're only able to identify a small portion of what the world around us really is. It's billions and bits of information, of data that's coming at you. Your brain, you can only filter out a few 100,000 bits of that data. Depending on your beliefs is going to depend on which data you allow in to your mind to interpret your reality. So if you closed off to the law of attraction, manipulate to, if you close off to these things, you're not going to pick up on the data or on the information that's relaying it to you. You're not going to see it. That's why a person that don't understand this can't see what you're trying to show them. It's like they're not built to be able to read that information. They automatically going to filter that out because what they believe doesn't allow that into their reality. This is why you got to take so much time to rewire your brain, to rewire your thoughts, to change your thought pattern, because you got to change the setting. You got to make a setting more conducive to magical practice. Remember, your mindset is your setting. So if you have a negative mindset, a poverty mindset, a lack mindset, you're not going to be able to bring forth magical change in the way that you're trying to. You have to change the setting. You have to change it. It's like you need certain things in order for a plant to grow, right? That plant needs those certain things to grow. Without those things, it's not going to grow. So people can find themselves beating themselves up for things not changing, but it's because they don't fully understand what has to happen in order for those changes to occur, you know? So that's a big part of it. Now, understand, this is a big concept that can completely shift the way you perceive your reality, because it's all about changing the way you perceive your reality, becoming more open, allowing magic into your life. Magic is all around you. You just have to be able to see it. You got to learn to be able to see it. So understand this. Time, and physicists have known this for a long time now. Time does not exist the way that we think that it does. It doesn't. Time is an illusion. And a lot of people get on me when I say this, man. And it's because they built their lives around the time structure of chronological order of things. Which is why they don't understand why they're so miserable and unhappy. But it requires you to let go of certain things that's controlling the narrative of your life. See, we perceive time, we're taught to perceive time as a series of chronological events, right? With a past and a future going in a straight line. But time actually exists all at once. Everything, everywhere, all at once. If you haven't seen that movie, watch it. It's more like it's an infinite now. It's a spacious present. That's why the present is a present, y'all. I'm going to forever say this. That's why the present is a present. Because it's everything all at once. It's everything all at once. And if you can make your mind a place more conducive for magical practices, yo, you can change your life. You can bend your reality to your will. That's realizing there is no spoon. That's how you bend the spoon. Ain't no spoon. Because ain't none of this shit real. Anyway, it's all in your mind. The mind is the point of origin.